Welcome again to Project with Brian. I want to show you one of my new purchases. I'm on site, and one of the things that keeps happening is tools go missing, you can't find them, and what you need to be is a bit more organised. And as you all know, I'm not that very organised. But look at this! I've got two of these, one for upstairs and one for downstairs. And as you can see, it's a little red trolley on wheels, and I can put all sorts of things on it and they're visible so I can see them. If I'm more organised, there'd be one tray for one thing and one for another, and I'll keep trying to do that. But that trolley was 25 quid. Is it a Snapon Tool Trolly? No, it's not. Is the steel massively big? No, it's not. But look at that! How useful is that for 25 quid off of eBay? Got to be done, isn't it? And here's the one downstairs. Whoa! Look at that! 25 quid. Thank you again for watching for Project with Brian. Don't forget to look us up on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget, if you like it, comment and by all means subscribe.